Chapter 2, Prisms and Pyramid. Objective: to understand about prisms and pyramid, and then draw the net of them. How are you? We could enjoy the mild weather in spring. Today, we will tackle about prisms and pyramid. There are some items you can see around. Shall we categorize them if they are solid figures or plane? Three-dimensional figures which have length, width, and height are solid figures. A two-dimensional figure has length and width. Let's categorize the two types of three-dimensional figures. If there are parallel faces, which are named bases, they are called prisms. The pyramid doesn't have parallel faces. Prisms have the same shapes when you cut straight across an object. They are named by the type of bases. Triangle bases. So it is called triangular pyramid. Rectangle bases. So it is named rectangular pyramid. Pentagon bases. It is called pentagonal pyramid. Hexagon bases. It is named hexagonal pyramid. The base of the prisms are always straight edges figure. Cylinder doesn't have straight edges at the base. It has a curved line only. What common point do they have at these prisms' colored part? Two bases are congruent and parallel faces. From the bottom base to the top base, meet with the perpendicular lines which refers to the height. And the surfaces are called faces. Also, for the prism, it is needed to have a vertex, edge, and height. Then, how many edges and vertices does the pentagonal prism have? Twice vertices of 5 sides is 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Multiply 3 times by 5 sides is 15 edges. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 edges. Let's draw a net of a triangular prism or a rectangular. A rectangular prism looks like a box. Choose one side of the base and this will be the center when you cut the edges. There are rectangular shapes lined up together. It is identified by the base shape. A pyramid is made by connecting a base to a top vertex, which is also called an apex. What types of the bases of a pyramid are named, such as triangle, rectangle, pentagon, and etc.? And the other surfaces of a pyramid are always triangle. When you see a pentagonal pyramid, it has 5 faces which are all triangles, and the faces surround one base and all of them always meet at the top. Apex 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 edges. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 faces. From base to apex, this perpendicular line is height. Vertices are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 6 vertices. Pyramids have one more vertex and face than the number of their sides. Also, it has twice as many edges as the number of their sides. Question 1. Fill in the blanks and find the rule. Triangular prism, 6 vertices. Rectangular prism, 8 vertices. Pentagonal prism, 10 vertices. Faces, 5, 6, 7. Edges, 9, 12, 15. And hexagonal pyramids vertices is 7. And faces also 7. And the number of edges is 12. Can you find the rules for the number of vertices, faces, and edges for both the prisms and the pyramids? Prisms vertices refer to twice of their size. Pyramids vertices refer to one more vertex of the size. Prisms faces refer to an additional of 2 to the number of their size. Pyramids faces refer to an additional of 1 to the number of their size. To get the number of edges in a prism, multiply 3 times the number of their size. Pyramids have twice as many edges as the number of their size. Today, we tackled about prisms and pyramid. Next time, we will learn about division of decimals. Have a wonderful day, and I will see you next time.